Yeah, hello, beautiful customers. This natural stone cladding that beautify your house. Yeah, hello, beautiful customers. I welcome you once again to Steven Stone Design. Yeah, so we are here to lay a natural stone cladding under the building all around. So as you come here, like here look on smooth way. So you have to hack the wall. Before the installation. It doesn't matter that they are never paint the house yet. We always stand for a good job. A quality work across the country. As you can see. You can see. Yeah, look at how. So this be the level. So my brother is marking the level, before the installation, as you can see. you know yeah, so when you see this place, you can see that we have tried to put a concrete inside the wall. Yeah, a concrete inside the wall. So this is what you do before installation. As you can see. So you can see like here, they are making it on rough way. So they are already marking it and make it rough way for us. So here, it does need to hack it and stuff. So we just put a concrete inside. So that be how we do on our jobs across the country. Yeah, so this be on a natural stone crowding. Yeah, so here we have a yellow color here, and here you have some color here, and you have also white color under, and this be red color, so this be red stone crowding, so here be a white and yellow color beside, and the white color inside, because of the stones are 4 kia, so this be 1 kia, 2 kia is here, and yellow color is there, which is 4 kia. So we are going to combine these 4 colors and lay it. Yeah, so these are the rock stones, a stone crowding. So you have to break the stones or smaller way like this, as you can see. So you have to take an time and break the stones like this before you start the installation. As you can see, you see. So that be how you go. So you have to put the hammer on the stones and break it smaller, because of these stones will be rock stones that they are very hard. So you can never break it with the machine. So it's only with the hammer. Yeah. So we are going to work with these stones. So these are the stones that prevent your building from damping. These are the stones that beautify your house. These are the stones, that make your house look so beautiful and nice. So once you lay this stone in your building, you are good to go forever. And this stone prevent your building from damping. So once you insert this stone in your building, you are free to go. As you can see. So kindly give us a call wherever you are, and we join our best for you. because we are inside big apple, some place be crowd, but we are here to do a good job for all my customers around the country, Yeah, so whatever I are, once you give us a call, we will be there and do a beautiful work for you. So I'm going to inside there and give you some good updates. Yeah. Yeah. Dale. They are doing the hacking, as you can see. You know.